monk where I adopted a girl named Jessie. To begin when after all we're doing to have a good time, and so then you will see. Nothing happened to Morgan, is alive to protect himself, but now he's back. When you're aware of how much you watch too many movies, once in a while, but always you are the best. Who do you think it is? But where are they now? Don't know, you're going to get a lot worse. You want to know who that kid is, but what their names? His name is Monk, her name is Jessie. Get ready, here we go. Listen, rebellious and better than you will see. Get ready, it's been a long time, his name is Monk. Jessie is Sako, name is Bogan, her last name is Morrison. And you know why you listen. Someone maybe one for a day. Speak up before you act and you will see. And what we're going to do about it. So what time is it? You don't know time is it, it's time Morrison.